How to change language on Zoho Mail app. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you want to change your language on the Zoho Mail app, then it's super quick and easy. First of all, launch open the Zoho Mail app on your smartphone or tablets and log into your account. Once logged in, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the settings button. Inside the settings menu, scroll down and click on Language. This will take you to your device's language option where you'll need to select Language under Preferred Language and select a different language from the options provided. Once done, you can head back and open up your Zoho Mail application. You will see that the language option has now changed. You'll see a different language inside your home page or inside your Zoho Mail app. So that is how you change your language setting on Zoho Mail application using your smartphone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.